Hi everyone, and welcome back to How To Lab. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest challenges content creators face, and that is creating videos for different ideas, starting from scratch every time. But I think AI is taking us into a new era of video creation. The era where you don't always need a team or expensive recording equipment or going to different locations for recording. Or, for that matter, a new outfit every time you want to create a different video. Traditionally, you had to visit these places and wear clothes according to the environment. Every new video could mean a different outfit, a different location, a different setup, and even different lighting. And if you wanted everything to look professional, you might also need cameras, microphones, lights, and sometimes even a team to help you set everything up and record. HeyGen changes this whole process. With its AI avatar feature, you can take an avatar you've already created and transform it with a new outfit. Place it in different environments and have it create a video that matches your new idea. Instead of setting up in a new location, changing outfits, or filming yourself again, you can create the look you need directly inside HeyGen AI. So, with one avatar, you can create multiple versions of yourself for different types of content. So, let's actually see how this works, starting with the first look, a professional studio setup. On the HeyGen AI homepage, click on the avatar feature on the right side of the screen. This will take you to the My Avatars page, where you can see all the avatars you have already created. If you want to learn how to create your own AI avatar, make sure to watch this video. I've already added the link in the description, but instead of creating a new avatar or recording myself again, I'm going to use Edit Looks option to completely change the look of my existing avatar. Select the avatar you want to use and then click on Edit Looks on the left side. Once you click on it, due to latest update of HeyGen, it will take you to a new page and will ask two options from you. First is Use this look, and the second is Change look. If you click on Change look, it will take you back to My Avatar options. From here you can change your avatar, but I am selecting the same, and we will return back to previous page. And when you select the first option, which is Use this look, it will take you to Choose templates for your new looks. From here, you can select templates for your current look. Here you can either scroll down to find and choose a template for your avatar, or you can use the search bar to search a specific template for your avatar. Since we are learning to create a studio template for our avatar, therefore we will search studio in search bar, and it will give us all templates related to the studio. If you select a look pack, it will create 5 to 6 looks for you. But this pack will cost you 50 credits. So it's better to select single templates instead of the look pack, because it will consume only 2 to 4 credits depending upon the selected template. Once you have finalized the template for your avatar, you just take your mouse cursor on the look and it will give you the option of Use Template. Once you click on this, it will create 2 templates for you within 1 minute. You can choose any of the created template and use it in your video. And there we go. HeyGen has created 2 new templates of my avatar sitting in a studio, and both the templates are very good. You can see that the overall appearance and layout have changed, while my facial expressions or the identity of my avatar remained consistent. In the same way, I have created many looks for my avatar to use them in different videos. Now, in order to create a video with the newly created avatar, click on the finalized avatar and it will take you to a new pop-up window. On this page, click on Use in Video option and select Create with Video Agent, and you will be brought to Video Creation page where you will select the voice of your avatar and add the prompt to create your video. But we'll get into video creation a little later. For now, let's try another look. To create a different version of your avatar, simply go back to the My Avatars page and select the avatar you want to modify. I'm going to select my original avatar. Again, click on Edit Looks, and you'll be taken back to the page where you can remix your avatar's look. This time, let's create a professor look. Simply search for professor, and HeyGen will show you the available looks related to that search. You can browse through these options and select the one that best fits the type of video you want to create. Once you've chosen your preferred look, move your cursor over it and click on Use Template. HeyGen will now start creating the new versions of your avatar. Again, after about a minute, HeyGen will generate 2 new looks for us. And there we have it. It has created 2 different professor looks for our avatar. You can select whichever you prefer and use it in your video. To use a finalized look, we have to follow the same steps. We will just click on Use in Video option and select Create with AI Agent. Now let's try another look, which will be the final example for template creation with your avatar. Suppose you want to create a different version of your avatar for a fitness video. Again, go to the avatar option, and you'll be taken back to your created avatars. Select the avatar you want to use, and once again, click on Edit Looks. This time, we are searching fitness. HeyGen will now show you different looks related to fitness. Browse through the available options, choose the one you like, and click on Use Template. HeyGen will now generate 2 new versions of your avatar based on that fitness look. And here are the results. As you can see, it has created 2 different fitness looks. One gives the avatar a proper fitness outfit, while the other keeps a more similar outfit but changes the overall appearance and environment. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always go back and create another look. Just keep in mind that creating additional looks will use more credits, but this fitness version is quite interesting because it makes the avatar look much more appropriate for fitness-related content. The outfit and overall appearance help make the character fit the subject you're talking about. If you're happy with the result, select the look, click on Use in Video, and then choose Create with Video Agent option. Rest of the procedure will remain the same. Now let's go back and create a video using our first avatar. To do that, we will simply go to the Avatar option, and from My Avatars, we will choose the avatar look which we have created during creation of Studio Layout. I am choosing this one. Now click on Use in a Video option and choose Create with AI Agent. This will bring us back to the main video creation screen. And now, the next step is to add a voice to our avatar. For this, we will click on Voice and choose the voices which we have already cloned for our avatar. Since I am using Adam as my avatar, so I am also selecting its voice. Now the next step is to give the prompt or command to HeyGen AI to create the video. I have already written the prompt with ChatGPT, which I will paste here. For good prompt creation, you can see this video. I have already given link of this video in my description. Now the last step before video creation is to recheck options for creation of video. Click on Options button. In basic settings, keep the time auto, whereas in aspect ratio, select the ratio as per your requirement. I am selecting landscape. Once done, click Continue, and finally before clicking Generate button, ensure that AI mode is autopilot. Once everything is done, click on Generate button, and in 5 to 10 minutes, HeyGen will create a realistic talking avatar video for you. Just like you are sitting in a new studio with new settings and dress, creating a video on something new. Hi everyone, and welcome back to How To Lab. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest challenges content creators face. Check out the result. It looks fantastic. HeyGen has created a stunning video for you without requiring you to set up a studio or even step in front of a camera. And that's it. As you can see, it's very simple to create these templates. With one avatar, you can create multiple versions of yourself for different types of content. And the best part is that you don't have to go through the long process of traveling to your desired location, setting everything up, changing your outfit, and recording yourself again every time you want a new look. Now, you just have to create the version you need inside HeyGen and use it for your next video. So, try creating a few different looks for your avatar and see what works best for your content. And let me know in the comments, which look would you create first? If you found this tutorial helpful, click the like button and subscribe to How To Lab for more AI tools, software tutorials, and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.